Hi everyone, I wanted to take a minute and tell you about our spring clearance section. Summer's flying by and July's turning into August, and we have set up a spring clearance section that includes 50% off everything that's in this section, from patio furniture to wrought iron to cocoa liner to rattan pots like the mounted of pots behind me, to some garden art features, and some of the bistro set tables and some other really nice garden features that'll still look great in your backyard for the rest of the summer and for longer. So when you get a chance, come check it out. Ask one of our sales girls to show you our spring clearance section and take advantage of this 50% off section-wide sale. Thanks so much. Talk soon.